Welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to send a video along with a message in a group chat on the Messenger app using your PC. This new update has made it easier than ever to share videos while keeping the conversation going. Whether it's a funny clip, a memorable moment, or an important video file, we'll walk through the simple steps to get it done seamlessly. Let's jump into the steps now. 1. Open the Messenger app. When you start, make sure you are logged into your account. 2. Find the conversation you want to send the photos to. Browse through your chats until you locate the group where you want to share your video. 3. Open the conversation. Click on the group name or the chat to enter the conversation. 4. Click on the photo icon or attach a file. You'll see options either at the bottom or the side of the chat window. Look for the icon that resembles a camera or a paperclip. 5. Find the video you want. This will prompt you to browse through your files, so navigate to the location of the video you wish to share. 6. Write the note you want, then click Send or press Enter. If you have a message or context to add to the video, type it in before sharing. This adds a personal touch, and there you have it. Sending videos along with messages in Messenger is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy chat.